Check it out. I'm working on a wholesale retail indicator, aka supply and demand indicator. I've been working on this for about 1.5 years, but I'm trying to see out there if there are any coders that know how to code on thinkorswim platform. Alright, because I'm trying to see if I can get this supply and demand indicator to line up with the strong arm indicator. Alright, so as you can see, this is a 30-minute chart. This was a trade I actually took in real life, not based on the indicator, but based on the strategy, right? So it identified this level, right? But it's up in this wick area, which is okay because I come down to a smaller time frame. Let's come down smaller and see how that level looks, right? So that's a good level right there, right? And I need some help fine-tuning it. Of course, you have to sign a non-disclosure, but if you have some skills with thinkorswim, holla at me, alright, because I'm working on this for you guys. Alright, so here you can see that level that we took in the 30-year bonds. This was a short we took actually, and you can see the strong arm indicator fires off here on that return, so we would have went short anyway. The strong arm indicator, the students in the strong arm academy know that when the strong arm indicator fires off in the middle of this Bollinger Band, it's a push up to go short. Alright, so this was a push up to go short, a continuation. These purple ones are very strong push-ups. Alright, so that can be considered a scalp almost. Alright, or sometimes the market even reverses totally when the purple ones fire off. On TradingView, they're all the same colors, green and red. On thinkorswim, I have variations of strengths, but on thinkorswim you cannot share privately your indicator because it gives people access to your actual code, so I don't allow people to access it on thinkorswim. But if any coders out there know how to code on thinkorswim, holla at me to help out with something great. Let's even check out something else we took in real time down here. I think we used the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we did. So we went long here based on the strong arm indicator right here. Boom. But it also lines up with this demand area. Was finding some demand down here. Alright, so when it came back to this area, we already took the long, going to target that supply up there. So it's in its rough stages. It looked like it needs some fine tuning, and I'm not even sure if this platform is able to do what I needed to do. But if anybody out there knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody, and if you're that somebody, holla at me.